Yeah. I think this may be getting slower. Uh-oh. Whoa! Tumble-wumble. Oh! It recovered! Ha ha ha! I cannot believe that mine recovered like that. Well, we've got treats because there are 3 of us who are going to do this. You want to bring Chewy over? Come here, Chewy. Show everybody your beautiful face. That's Chewy. Okay.
Well, that's not exactly.
I didn't really mean to do that, but okay, go ahead, give him a treat. Hey, folks, time for another RC Car Tech unboxing and review.
I'm gonna go get him on the couch.
Okay, she'll be right back. So I want to tell a little story. I grew up in Canaan, New Hampshire, and Canaan, I think, is still a small town, like 2,000-3,000 people. It's probably vertically about halfway up, but it's towards the western side of New Hampshire. Wonderful town, middle of nowhere. Really blessed to live there. We didn't really, we were small in the middle of nowhere, but somehow we had an International Harvester dealership.
Yeah.
An International Harvester, if you're not familiar with them. That's going to make it hard to do.
I'll take him upstairs.
It's okay if you want to. Sure. Let's expect more treats.
I don't have any more
Well, why don't
treats.
you go bring them upstairs? I'll finish my story and then we'll get back here. So either way, we have this International Harvester, and if you're familiar with them, at least to me, the thing I think about with them is a Scout. And there are various companies out there that you can, big companies, you can buy a lot of little companies too that create a lot of different RC cars. Traxxas has, I don't know, one of the more popular ones. Horizon Hobby has various brands that they do. But there's this one brand out there called Redcat. And Redcat, I've had an eye on it for a while. Redcat has made versions of the Scout. And they're really neat looking, at least to me. So, what happened is a couple weeks back, maybe, I'm not sure, Redcat came out, or announced, and then came out with what they call the Gen8 V2. So Gen8 V2, and they had previous ones which were Gen8 V1 of all things. Now, I'm going to stop the video here and wait for my beautiful wife to get back. I hear noises. I hear more noises. Do I hear the pitter-patter of beautiful feet? Oh, wait, how did that get open? You guys can see where you're not supposed to see. Who did that?
What?
Nothing. This curtain got...
He must have bumped it.
It's fine.
Do you have to start over?
No, we're going to just splice. We're able to splice. Okay, my wife is back. Yep, she's right here. Oh, something else that I should note. If you don't see Augie sitting there, but you see my wife sitting there, what does that mean about the car we're going to unbox?
It's Crawler.
Right. If it's a fast car, Augie be there. If it's not a fast car, my wife will be there. So either way, then, so I ordered it over the weekend, was it? I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Maybe Monday. Either way, I ordered it. It might have been Monday. No, I think. But either way, I ordered it. It shipped. They're from Arizona. We're in Colorado. It's coming in like 2 days after it got shipped. I'm really excited. Then I get this email from UPS today. The email says, hey, you can watch where your truck is, where your UPS truck is. So I click on the link, and it's on our street.
USPS.
UPS. It was UPS.
That was it.
I know they were using somebody's minivan. I know, but it was UPS.
Oh, okay.
So either way, I run, well, maybe not run. I run down the stairs. I go out front, and there's this minivan, and it's a UPS thing. And they brought...
I was going to say, that's what threw me off.
Yep, nope, it was UPS. They brought this gigantic box. So not only do I have this cool Scout in there, I get this free box.
Which we might keep.
Okay. Oh, yeah, because you're going to make more of it.
Because I can make tracks.
She can make 1/24 scale...
Crawling tracks.
Crawling tracks. Okay. So we're going to see if I can keep all my fingers while we're opening this up.
I should say.
And folks, I'll be up front. You're seeing my belly. I'll be up front with you folks. I don't know enough about this stuff to really say what's good, bad, or indifferent. I can read the sides of boxes and tell you that way. This is an upgrade from the V1. I've heard that it's like the Axe Edition. that they come out with, except without the Axe's increased electronics, but like more durable parts and stuff like that. But when you guys see this, if you haven't seen this online already, you will fully understand why. Oops, the top's not sealed.
Oh.
Just a second, folks. Okay, can you grab that box? Okay, so what I mean by the top's not unsealed. Ready? Watch. So I went to pull it out, and this starts like, oh, it's got tape. It's just not sticking right there. Can you see that there? Just not sticking. So the seals. Okay, Redcat, right? Redcat.
I was looking to
Maybe the sticky stuff you put on this would be better. So we may find out if I got the color I expected.
I was gonna say I was looking on the side to see if
We'll find
shows
out.
which color.
I know
they
what I
sent.
ordered, but if I got the different color, it was meant to be. But guys, look at this. I haven't even pulled it out. Look at that. Is that not beautiful?
It is cool.
Okay, let's go ahead and do some of the showing the box here. So on this side here, we'll go on this side, make sure I don't fall things out. This gives you some of the features. See the motor and stuff like that. Oh, I can bring it back. You can look at it that way, but let me bring it closer so you can see that. Pause it there if you want to. How about this side? Look at that. Is that okay? Can you guys see that?
And that does show what color you ordered.
Does it say green?
I think so. It looks like
Where does
there's
it
a
say
symbol
that?
next to the green. If you turn it around and look
Okay.
at it.
Well, that's all right. We'll pull it off. We'll know. Okay. Anything else on the sides that we should look
Yeah,
at?
see?
Yeah, it's got a little sticker by the green. I don't know. It's just where like a guy on Facebook said, "Have you ever regretted a car you've gotten an RC car?" And I said, "I've only regretted in that I look and say, man, I could have gotten that one." So this could be one of those cases where I got the green,
And you could.
and I could say, man, I could have gotten the purple. But you have to make a decision. It's like going to a restaurant. You got to order sooner or later, right?
I've actually done that with a color.
Okay. Yeah, but I'm talking
Got
about
it.
cars too.
Oh.
Like in this case, I sold something so I could get this because I got another one that I wanted, and it's great. We're not going to mention it because we don't like to compete them against each other. I wanted it, and I'm glad I got it. But I was like, you know what? I still want that other one, so I sold something. So this is a nice box, right?
Yep.
Look at that bubble wrap. Pretty
Nice,
exciting.
nice bubble wrap. We'll save that too.
Oh. I don't know if I want to show you. This is
I can
just too
reuse the
beautiful.
bubble wrap.
Okay. Let's see. Manual, of course. Oh, stuff there on the back of that plastic. That's horrible. No, I'm just kidding. Looks like another one of the pairing thingies, honey. I don't know. That looks like
That's
a
a big
straw. Look, comes with a straw.
Maybe
And then
that's in-
I'd have to look at these. Might be parts that attach or extra parts. I don't know. We'll take a look in a minute.
Is that
This-
an antenna cover, maybe?
Yeah, it looks like it might be. We'll see. Oh man, can you just slide that over for a second, love?
Oh, wait. But you're missing.
Wait,
oh,
not
that's
yet.
the-
Wait, just wait a second.
Oh, never mind. I thought that was something
Oh, look at
else.
that. Okay, that's weird. Okay, folks. Did you notice this?
Yeah.
It wasn't. So this was sealed. It was sent. But okay, let me show why I'm reacting that way. Notice the ties, folks. I didn't have to cut them because they're already cut.
Which also, the box was already...
And the stickers on the, yeah, makes you wonder. Well, either way, let's stop worrying
so
about that right
hopefully
now.
we'll have to make sure all the parts
Yeah,
are
and look
in.
at it. Even the sticky stuff's not all the way sticky down. Wonder if somebody got it returned. Who knows? We'll see. The fact is this not beautiful? Honey, what do you think?
I think it's
Is
beautiful.
that beautiful? Let's show them all the different angles. Look at the
I think
front
we need to
there.
make sure everything is good with it, though.
Yeah, we will. We will. Let's go like this. One of the things I love about this one, notice the clear windows. Again, I've said in another video, I had to sell my wife on that, right? She wasn't big on clear windows. Let's see, I don't know if
I
you can see the
still
back.
don't like to be able to see the stuff inside, so, you know, at some point, we may end up with a
Come around, just show you guys a few features. I mean,
Oh.
this is just nice. So,
way to cover that up.
so take a look at this. It's got mirrors, which I just rolled out here. And look, the mirrors actually have, can you see that? Reflectors. Am I bringing it close enough? Reflecting mirrors.
No wipers.
No wipers.
But I do like that on the other ones.
It's got, hey, look, it's got a
License plate.
license plate. Look at
What
that.
state is that? Arizona?
Yeah, it is Arizona. Guess where they ship from.
Yeah.
There you go. Something else to note. Notice that it doesn't come with lights, but it does come with light buckets. And I'm not saying that I ordered the lights for it already and didn't tell my wife, but I may have ordered the lights for it already. And what's nice is like the most recent other one I got, had lights in the front already, but didn't have lights in the back, but also didn't have places to put the lights. And with this one again, it's got the buckets to put the lights in. So this will be nice. Other things are, stickers, like the gas cap is a sticker. But one of the neat things about Redcat, I'm not saying it's unique to them totally.
I like the fact that it's got the high.
Oh yeah, the high.
So that the
wheel wells.
Body won't rub against the wheels.
Yeah, you guys can
like
see that.
Some of our other cars, the body does rub against the wheels.
Yeah. But what I was going to say is another thing Redcat does is they publish, what do you call them when they're for printing 3D? But they publish 3D printing material so that you can make your own stuff. And like I think I remember seeing, like you can see here, I have it's got the fake gas cap, but you can buy the one that's printed. Same thing with it's got the fake door handles. I can't see what I'm doing.
Where
is it? Yeah, right there. Fake door handles, but you can print the door handles.
Oh, like almost like not the layout, not the layout, but like, yeah.
No, yeah, well, yeah, it's a print file, right? Except that it's 3D.
Yeah.
And we found this guy. You can hit me up. I'll give you his contact information. But we found this guy who sells stuff that way, and I said, hey, if I send you blueprints, will you do it? And now I know I'm going to ask him probably to do the door handles. I like the idea of the gas cap. There's some other stuff I might have him do. So either way, let's do this. Before I open up the inside, do you want to pull the remote control out?
See, I thought that was like a spare battery, a spare tire to go on the back at first, and then I realized it was the...
So, it's the first Redcat that we've had. Here's its remote control. Does not... I don't think there's anything else. Oh, the stickers are down bottom. Stickers are down bottom. But here you go. There's the remote control. I do like what I think I'm going to see, which is often when you have a top like this. Traxxas controllers are nice, but you can't like adjust a whole bunch of things on the controllers often. So I like the ones where the controllers have the steering trim, throttle trim. Well, okay, they usually have steering trim. Steering trim, throttle trim, steering dual rate, throttle reverse, steering reverse, power status. So I like what they're doing. You're going to have to supply, this kit is ready to run, but you have to supply both types of batteries, both for remote control. This again has them 4 individually, which is just nicer than having 2 sets of 2. Do you like the stickers?
Yeah, I like the stripe.
Why don't you show them the stickers? Hold it out, love. Let them see.
So, here, let me show them closer. I like the big stripe, the pinstripe. Whether we put it on or not, we'll see. It's hard because there's a big warning thing on it.
Well, yeah, you.
It's got another license. Got another license plate. Some other little designs there. They're hard to see. Not quite as exciting as the stickers we got with the other truck the other day.
You can go ahead and say it was an Enduro Element Trail Walker. It did have some neater stickers.
I couldn't remember it, so
well, it's
that's
okay.
why I didn't
Well,
say
that's
it.
why I'm here.
Yes.
Okay, let's see where. Oh, we're gonna pull the top off. So, hey, Mom, can you help me get the pins out?
Whoops.
I'm tricking her.
There are no pins.
Oh, then what happens? What do you do?
Oh, that one's got the Velcro.
This one does have the Velcro. No, I've never done it.
Yeah.
And it's the king of the hill. Okay, let's come on down.
Man, imagine the Max jumping off of that hill. I won't do it.
Good.
But, man, it's tempting. It is. I mean, I would do it if I never want to eat again, but...
You'd eat again. They serve food in prisons.
Oh!
Can I get out of that? Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Are we going to keep this one?
Yeah, we're going to keep this one. I didn't realize that the ditch went all the way over there. Okay, let's go ahead and stop it. You guys get the point. We'll go ahead and bring you over here. I didn't know the ditch went there. There is a ditch. Oh no! Oh well, guys. See you later. Okay, I'm going to try to see how far I can drive this Gen8 V2. It is a Redcat Scout 2. Beautiful, beautiful car, as you can see. Problem is I have one hand doing the remote control, the other hand holding the camera, and I'm not sure I can drive and do it at the same time, but we're going to give it a shot and see how far we can go. Yeah, there we go. I think I better oh, wrong way. Let's get it back over. I told you I wasn't good at this here. There we go. Let's see if we can keep this going here. It's not quite as far as it seems right now, but hey, it's still impressive. Yeah, there's no way to say drive with your thumb. So what I do is I have my thumb on the back side. I'm using my right hand. So normally I would use my left hand. Whoops. Come on, keep it going, keep it going. That's pretty far away. Oh, get out of the weeds. Got a turn coming up that I want to try and make. Can you guys see that? Am I even including it? Yeah, I'm in the weeds. Oh, I don't want to go in the weeds. Oh, wrong way. Let's get back over there. Oops, who knows where I'm going now. Oh, I'm facing me now. Let's see. Oh, I guess not. Okay, maybe not. You guys see how far away it is? I have to turn that way. Oh, yeah, well, I can't steer with whatever, at least this way, but you know, it's still going. Can you guys see how far that is? Yeah, you probably can't because of the light. I'm off the trail, but it is far away. Let's come back up the trail here. There we go. Okay, well, since I can't even see it anymore, I suppose I'm going to do it. So, I don't know how to point, but it's way out there. Either way, it was kind of a neat test. Now I gotta bring it back. Bye. Yeah? Come on, Slowpoke. Part of it is your tires are pretty slick too. Just do me a favor, don't kick, dirt up on me. Yeah, I mean, just don't do it purposely. See, here's our first old tree to go around, right? Can I get around it? I don't know. Yeah, I think the grass is going to be a little high, a little wild there. There we go. Oh, I forgot. Whoa! Oh, wait, what's that? That looks like a piece of metal.
You better not flip yourself over because you're not allowed to go off the path.
I just realized that. Uh-oh, did I get my first scratch? Did I get my first scratch? Yeah, it looks like it's okay. Let's do this, huh? Whoa. There you go, getting dirty. Tree. Think I can get around that tree. Kind of funny if I roll over the poop by mistake after giving you a hard time. So this one, you see these weeds and stuff can get in the way. All right. See, I'm not sure I can get around that. Yeah. Uh-oh. Because you're human. It's fun. Oh, that was close. Almost hit that. Think I can come around? Let's hope. Can't see. There we are. Ready? Yeah, look at that. Look at that. That was awesome. Whoa, big bump. Okay, dirty boy. Is this fun?
Yeah.
Yes, it is.
This is the most fun walk I've had.
Well, let's see what we can do here, huh? There's no good path up this thing. Huh. Yeah, these rocks they're not gonna work out terribly well. Look at that, Augie, look at that. She's slipping now, but look. I think it's pretty amazing she got where she did. Now the question is, can I get out of there? Uh-oh. Oh, yeah, looks like it. Okay, any other rocks of interest? I suppose I can go over there. Let's see. What do you think about this rock here, huh? Whoa! Tumble-wumble. What's wrong? Speaking of tumbleweeds, I think I just went over some poop maybe.
Oh.
It's okay, it was dry. In a minute.
You're not leaving dust.
I can't kick up dust like you can. Now the sunlight's coming out. This is going to be some good colors. Whee! Oh, that was close. Me and my shadow, and Augie too.
Oh,
So,
that's Horseman Door.
I will let you do it a bit.
I went to Horseman Door.
Mistakes were made. You can check the tires when we get there. Oops. Do you need a shove? A little bump? Huh? Did you just spit up dirt at me?
Sorry.
Yeah, you horrible son. Let's see, do you think I can get around the,
What?
do you think I can get around that? Find a path? Whoops. Oh, that's a pretty nasty plant, whatever it is.
Big.
Let's see, I can't see everything over there. Uh-oh, there's something in the way there. Oh, that was close, huh?
Yeah.
And of course I can go in here. Have we passed? We haven't passed yet. We're still here. Dad's gonna do a little bit more. Dad's gonna use up the battery and then make you do it. So what do you think? Can I get down there and come back up? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Well, I don't know if there's actually a path. I think I can find a path. Just a second, I'm come back up top. Okay, let's see if I've got the path, right? Okay, I give up. I thought I found a path, but I didn't remember it correctly. Yeah, I had to turn here. Oh, I could go straight through the, well, I don't know. Oh well, we tried. We tried! Okay, ready? Right now I wouldn't. So try to get up. Try to look for a path where you don't have to go through the deep weeds, right? And then try to get up around the tree. And then see if you can get up, come around, and then, can you see the hole over here? Oh no! Tumble-wumble! If I get bit by a snake like you said, it's all your fault. Got stuff in my shoes though, I blame you for that. Remind me to wear longer socks that go up above.
Oh man. Just because what I do with an RT one doesn't mean I'll do it with a real one.
Come on up here, yeah, little smarty pants. Uh-oh.
I'm up.
Yeah, okay. Guess that didn't work out quite the way I hoped.
I just had to gun it.
It's getting dark, huh? Here, okay, stop for a second. Please, thank you. Here we go.
Is it hard to do a scene if I'm doing this?
No, I think your foolishness adds to it. And away it goes.
Now my turn to jump it.
Well, maybe I should bring my car back around first. What do you think?
Just in case I land?
I can't see it though. There it is. Wait. Where are we? Oh.
There it is. I see it.
Yeah. That's it. I want to go like that. Bring it back over. Otherwise, Murphy's Law would be you jump right into it.
Alright, let's go.
Go for it.
No!
Way to go. Great driving there. He just hit me. Wait, do it again so I can put the camera on it, right? Trying again?
Yeah.
Do you want me to give you a push?
No. No.
It's fine. It was because the fact is you don't have tires. You would have to get like maybe some paddle tires or something. Something that's gonna grip. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe tomorrow night we'll decide.
You literally said in the car. Maybe tomorrow night.
I did, and I just literally said it again.
Do you like how I'm circling this?
Can I come through, please?
What's the password?
Pretty please.
Wrong.
Snuggledorf. I'm coming around. Careful. Coming through.
You're lucky. I don't have the heart to hate you.
Oh, could be that and being grounded for the rest of your life too.
What?
Huh?
Now how do I get back to this, sir?
Happy trails to you until we meet again. Happy trails to you.
We have to eventually get a buggy body for the slide.
I agree. What? Look! Excuse me. Although there is some horse manure to watch for. I drive this home like this, Augie, right here. Drive it home. Actually, Augie, you want to have some fun? Come on. Do you see the trail across the road?
Huh?
Do you see the trail across the road?
We can cross the railroad track.
Well, there's a fence there, I think. Oh no, I guess it's on the other side. I hope the camera here is picking up some of this. I wonder if this is still recording. Is this still recording? Yeah, still recording. Okay, ready? Let's make sure we don't have any traffic. Be a shame to get run over, huh? We're good.
I am gonna do some speed practice.
Now my thing's pulling right again. Whoa!
This would be a good place to get 100-mile-an-hour speed pass.
So the question is, can I turn around up here? It's funny, it's turning it. The road must be pulling at places. That's cool. Look, there it comes. Up.
I just picked up a lot of dust.
It's okay.
Yeah, I think this would be a good place to do a 100-mile-an-hour speed pass. See how long that stretch of road is? More than long enough. Well, of course, if there's no cars. We should do a speed test here with the UDR.
I'll just keep an eye. Cars can come quickly. Good news is, car coming that way would have to come up over that hill. It's the other way. Oh, I see the hill up there?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think this may be getting slower. Uh-oh. Whoa! Tumble-wumble! Oh! It recovered! Ha ha ha! I cannot believe that mine recovered like that. Okay, dude, don't hit me. My trim is horrible. It's going left again. You know what? The body is actually doing pretty good given I've been going up against grass and stuff like that. It's dusty, but it is. I think I want to go up here one more time. Then we'll call it a night, okay?
This road is amazing for it. As long as
Did I show you the video where I can't remember, there was a guy who was doing it with his E-Revo or... See, it pulls it. Okay, car coming. Back it up. Back it up, dude. Okay. I think it's a good time to say good night. Meet you at the car. Oh, somebody's coming. Hey. Let's make sure we shake out some of the dirt and stuff. Let's see if the camera's still going. It is. It's still going. So when I put this video together, folks, this car... Oh, I do have some scrapes right here. I don't know. We'll see if they come off. This car is just amazing.
5 stars?
Oh, by far. This car is amazing.
Beautiful.
And you can see me. Come here, say hello. Come here and say hello. Yeah, exactly.
And that road up front is actually pretty good for speed passes.
It is, if we're careful, huh? Okay, folks, that's it. Let's wrap this up. Turn off some cameras.
Well, please leave a like, subscribe, and smash the bell.
Exactly.